When you are able to see my screen,
Yeah.
please let me.
Yes, I can see it.
Okay. Now, earlier we discussed about test runner. Am I right?
Yeah.
Now, today we need to discuss about this browser context and page consult. Am I right?
Yeah.
And if we talk about our web application and the UI testing, browser is a tool. Am I right?
Yeah.
Which will help us to render our UI of web pages. Am I right?
Yeah.
After rendering a page, or you can say this, we have a, you can say, in a page, maybe we need to use some value again and again. Am I right?
Yeah.
For that, we need to maintain the context. Am I right?
Yeah.
And in a website, we have a pages as well. Am I right? Home page, services, about us, or in your application as well, you have a different pages. Am I right? Order list, or item list, stuff like that. Am I right?
Correct.
So today we will discuss this all three, you can say, architecture thing and work on that. Am I right?
Yeah.
So browser, as I told you, is an actual browser engine which will help you to render your CSS, HTML, JavaScript code into a on a UI. Am I right?
Yeah.
Because this engine understand what is the, you can say, what is the purpose of this tag, what is the purpose of this tag, how it should be rendered. Am I right? So, and in this, when that window is open, then we can open in a cognito mode, so that it should be a maintain their session, and it will not do the history, maintain the history and things. Okay. So
Yeah.
it's a
Correct.
isolation for that particular flow only. We don't want it will be disturbed by another thing, and it will do lot of things. So for that we require a different context. You
Okay.
understand my point? Like you are doing some task, and you will, rather than doing two, three things at a time, you will do a one thing at a time. Am I right? So that's a context, and in that we have a tabs. Am I right?
Yeah.
So that's called page. Okay, here you
Okay.
understand my point.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
why we need to learn this? Because if you don't know how your browser will work, am I right? How we
Yeah.
will, if you don't know those things, how you will identify your component, how you will identify your element from page, am I right?
Yeah.
And if you don't know how to manage the session, how you will share the, you can say, values there.
Yeah.
Let's say user is login first time, then you will not ask the user again and again to log in. Am I right? You will cap that into one place and check that. If value is there, then user is you will use that value. If value
Yeah.
is not there, then you will ask for a login.
Yeah.
Okay. So without that, you are able to see we have a problem. If we don't have a, you can say, we don't have any reference, session leak, parallel execution break. Because in a parallel execution, we require something from a previous steps. Am I right? If we
Yeah.
cannot maintain that, how we can do that? So isolation is required. Am I right? Same
Yeah.
website we are testing, and we have a different functionality. So isolation is required. Scalability is also required. Reliable parallel test, so that each and every test work in a parallel.
Right.
If we are in a queue, then we need to wait until unless first will not get a not executed, we cannot run next one. Am I right?
Yeah.
So then when we need to use, always in a playwright test, when manage session, I mean multiple user. Let's say you want to perform login test for multiple users. You require parallelism. Am I right? You need to pass your this thing repetitive way. So you require a means based on a user. Every user have their own session.
Correct.
You understand my point?
Yeah.
So this is the execution flow of browser, top level, context, page, actions, and assertion. Assertion means where we will check. It's whatever we are expecting is there or not.
Right.
Okay. So you can think of a real, you can say we have a mall which have a, you can say lot of shop. Shop is, you can say consider as a context, which will, you can say have a, you can say grocery shop is there. So you can say restaurant are there, am I right? Clothing shops or jewelry shops are there. They have a their own context, am I right?
Mm.
So based on a contest, based on your need, you will go there. You will not means if you don't know the contest, how you will do that? Am I right?
Correct.
So that's why they have separated the things based on their contest. And you can say so in this contest, user can means from that this contest is a you can say they can prefer client can prefer the things which he or she need. Am I right? They are
Mm.
not interested further. That is page. Okay. So represent the actual browser instance. It will like your Chrome browser or Firefox or Mozilla. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
So Firefox, Mozilla, Chrome, or your Edge. Okay. So with the help of that, you can use this browser launch. It's a Chromium means Chrome. Am I right?
Yeah.
So we have different, you can say with the help of that you can launch and contest like it's a mode means where you will define a contest there with the help of this way.
Mm.
You understand my point?
Yeah.
Here you are means initializing this and key features separation cookies, separation separate storage, independent sessions.
Yeah.
Okay. So that you can independent session there. Let me show you in this Chrome itself. You have these things with you. Okay.
Mm.
You have cookies with you. You have everything with you, which you can use like this. This particular, you can say playwright thing. You can see able to see this storage, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Under storage, you have session storage. Okay, cookies. Okay,
Mm.
private tokens and everything is there. Okay,
Yeah.
so with the help of that, you can keep the things there so that you can reuse.
Yeah.
So here, what is the separation of storage independent session? Okay,
Yeah.
so real use cases, multiple user testing. User A logs in, user B logs in.
Mm.
No inference. There is no connection between them. Am I right?
Yeah.
So in that way, you require these. That's why you need to learn this. Okay.
Okay.
And here you are able to see this is a, they are interlinked. First you require a browser, then you can go for a contest. Okay.
Yep.
Then after getting a contest, then you go for page. Okay.
Yep.
If you don't have a contest, you cannot go for page. Okay, this page can be a login page, product page. Okay. Used for navigation, clicking, typing, and assertion. So this is a way to write your code. Okay,
Mm.
launch. Then we have a new contest and this, and we are going to do that, and we are closing our browser when we're done. Okay,
Yep.
these are the real use cases which we
Mm-hmm.
need to think of. Okay,
Yeah.
and These are the, you can say, why these are there. Okay, because it's a heavy. Am I right?
Yeah.
If you are launching a browser, it's a heavy task. But
Mm.
after launching a browser, you can open multiple pages. Am I
Yeah.
right? And
Correct.
multiple pages have, if it's a global context, then multiple pages can share a data and
Mm.
get that data from a context only.
Yeah.
So that's why this hierarchy is there. So here launching browser is expensive, context is cheap, and
Mm.
creating page is the cheapest.
Yeah.
So context per test, Playwright automatically does new page per test. It's done by automatically done by this. That's why test does not infer. Okay.
Yeah.
So these things we need to do. So let's do this. Let's do this practical thing where we have practical. Here we have these pages and everything. Here, what we will do, we will take a new folder, practical. In the practical, we have to do this. Uh, to to block the because first we need to install the things here. There you are able to see with the help of page, you are able to, you can say, launch a URL, and another method is also there. Okay, like these, and another as well there. Page error. Okay,
Yeah. Okay. Sure.
so these are the things, and here, if you check that, means in our previous lessons. So these are the things like if you want to test. So here we are doing this like page, but we are not doing in a standard manner without you can say this browser and thing we are doing. But as we learn, this is done. You can say for each and every test, it will create a new you can say contest and page create by your display writer only.
Mm.
Okay.
Yeah.
So these things are there, and you need to, you can say, practice these things.
Mm.
Okay, and in a deep concept, we learn that expected task, launch browser manually, open page, create two contest, open same site, verify sessions are independent, open multiple pages in a one contest. You can do that for that because this is not a test. So there is a test. Let's see, avoid. Okay, so you need to practice on these. Okay,
Okay.
March.
Yeah.
Any
Yeah, sure.
question or concern?
No, no. Today I'll go through all the videos and I'll come back. Can you please push this one?
Yes, yes, sir. Browser. Let me start the recording.